part, Bismillah Khan. In previous class, I already explained you about the Evelyn, that apart from her disability, as she was deaf, she cannot hear, but she achieved a peak of success. She is very fond of music, but she cannot hear the music because she is deaf. She learned music through her body, not through the ears. And her teacher, Ron Fox, her teacher, Ron Fox, helped her to become a successful person in her life. She is at the stage when she learned the music, she is able to play hundreds of instruments. आप सोच नहीं सकते कि जो सुन नहीं सकता वो कई सौ इंस्ट्रूमेंट को कैसे बजा सकता है. So that is the explanation of previous class Evelyn Wynn. Now in this class I am going to explain you the second part, Bismillah Khan. Both the part focuses on the life of musicians. So in this part we are going to study about the life and journey of successful of Bismillah Khan. First of all, I want to explain you that he is the Shehnai maestro. And what is Shehnai? Shehnai is a musical instrument. आपने देखा होगा शादी में, मंदिरों में, आपने कई जगह शहनाइयों को बजते देखा होगा. तो ये उसी शहनाई को बिस्मिल्लाह खान बजाते थे. अब हाउ द शहनाई ओरिजिनेटेड, शहनाई आई कहाँ से? औरंगजेब banned the musical instrument pungi. Why he did so? He banned the musical instrument pungi because it has a shrill and unpleasant sound. उसका sound अच्छा नहीं होता था. So professionally musician a barber decided to improve the pungi. He modified the pungi and made a new instrument. And when he played the new instrument, everyone liked and praised this instrument because of his melodious tune. And later, this musical instrument is called the Shehnai, and it was the Bismillah Khan who popularized the Shehnai and took it to the world stage. Now, come to the life of Bismillah Khan. Bismillah Khan was born on 21st March 1916. Bismillah Khan was born on 21st March 1916 in a professionally musician's family at Bihar. His father, what is the name of his father? His father, Payghambar Bugs. His father, Payghambar Bugs, was also a Shehnai musician. He played Shehnai very melodiously. And at the very early age, Bismillah Khan started to learn the Shehnai with his uncle Ali Bugs. His uncle's name is Ali Bugs. He started to learn the Shehnai with his uncle Ali Bugs, and later, when he was a young boy, he played the Shehnai in the All India Radio, Lucknow. Now, when the India got the freedom in 15 August 1947, when the India got freedom, Bismillah Khan was the only person who was invited to Red Fort to played his Shehnai in place of thousands and hundreds and thousands of people, in front of hundreds and thousands of people. He present a very memorable performances not only in India but also in abroad also. For example, in Afghanistan, in America, he was very popular for his performances. Even an auditorium in Tehran was named after the बिस्मिल्लाह खान. मतलब बहुत जल्दी ही इन्होंने अपने म्यूज़िक को सीखने की जो जर्नी थी उसको शुरू कर दिया. और जैसे ये थोड़े बड़े हुए तो लखनऊ के ऑल इंडिया रेडियो में इन्होंने अपना प्रोग्राम दिया. पहली बार ही एक ऐसे इंडियन थे जिनको जब देश आज़ाद हुआ तो लाल किले पर जब झंडा लहराया गया तो वहाँ पर इनके शहनाई बजाने के लिए इनको आमंत्रित किया गया. ये केवल अपने भारत में ही नहीं, देश विदेश सब जगह इन्होंने अपने बहुत सारे परफॉर्मेंसेस दिए. और कहाँ इनके परफॉर्मेंस बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस हुए, अफगानिस्तान में और आपके अमेरिका में, और तेहरान में एक ऑडिटोरियम इनके नाम पर ही रख दिया गया. तो ऐसे ग्रेट पर्सन, जस्ट अ ग्रेट पर्सन वाज उस्ताद बिस्मिल्लाह खान. नाउ अगेन कम टू द टॉपिक. He received many awards. It is a normal matter that when a man was become popular, he achieved lots of prizes. So Bismillah Khan also received many awards. In his awards list, there are Padma Shri Award, Padma Bhushan Award, Padma Vibhushan Award. He received many awards just like a Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan. In 2001, he received India's highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna. Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian award of India and it was presented to Bismillah Khan in the year of 2001. In spite of many opportunities, he never forget his hometown Varanasi because he had a great love for river Ganga. The river Ganga inspired him to create a new sounds with his Shehnai. So he always remember his hometown Varanasi, and in the 2006, in the year 2006, he passed away. In the year 2006, he passed away at the age of 90. In the year 2006, he passed away at the age of 90 due to the prolonged disease. So this was the great person, Ustad Bismillah Khan. So I explained both the great person, Adrian Kelly and Bismillah Khan. I repeat my topic again, that the chapter Sound of Music is focuses on the life of two musicians, Adrian Kelly and Bismillah Khan. Adrian Kelly is physically disabled lady. She is deaf, but she learned music through her body, and her teacher Ron Forbes helped her to create a successful life. And in the second part, we study about the life of Bismillah Khan, that the main features are he was born on 21st March 1916 at Bihar. His father name was Paigambar Bams. He is also played the Shehnai, and his uncle's name is Ali Bams, with whom he started to learn the music. He achieved many awards just like Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, and in awarded, he received the India's highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna. At last, in 2006, he passed away at the age of 90 with a prolonged disease. And when he was died, on this day, the government of India give one day mourn. So I hope you understand all the chapter. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. I clear your doubt. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.